How to be a full stack developer. Companies are now hiring full stack developer instead of hiring front end or a back end developer. In this video, we'll see how to be a full stack developer and what are the technologies required to be a full stack developer at a full-fledged. Hi, I am Gaurav and you are watching CodeSpace tutorial. So why there is a high demand of full stack developer? Before that, let's see what is the role of a front-end developer. Front-end developer is responsible for all the user interface, the look and feel of any website, Android application, iOS application, or even a BlackBerry app or a Nokia app looks like. His technology involves writing then designing in a plain page or using Balsamiq to design the wireframes and then converting those wireframes to actual web pages including HTML, CSS, JavaScript as foundation, and Angular, React.js and Vue.js for advanced web technologies, and other plugins like Angular Material, Bootstrap for UI design and UX fill. On the other hand, the backend developer doesn't bother about the look and feel of the application or the website. They're more concerned about how to process or store the data, which REST API to call, which algorithm to use, whether to cache the data and fetch it faster or use it live. Technology involves Java, Python, Node.js, .NET, PHP, and advanced technologies involved like for Java it's Spring, Hibernate. He's more also concerned in the database side like SQL, MySQL, Postgres, NoSQL like DynamoDB, MongoDB, whether to have it the infrastructure on premise or on the cloud. That's more concern for the backend developer including DevOps. Now full stack developer, it's a big question. Full stack equals to backend plus front end plus the X factor. I'll explain the X factor in details. Before that, don't forget to hit the like icon and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon for upcoming tutorials on Node.js, AngularJS, cloud computing, machine learning and much more. So full stack developer is on the rise. Pick any combination and you are good to go. Java plus Angular plus X factor, Node.js plus Angular plus that X factor, or even you can choose like .NET, React.js plus that X, or PHP, or even Node.js plus React.js plus X factor. So you master in at least one backend technology like Java, .NET, PHP, Python, and one front-end technology like AngularJS, React.js, Vue.js, and have strong grasp on the fundamentals like algorithms, data structure, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and object-oriented programming, and learn some shell scripting to deploy and deployment in any infrastructure like Linux or a Windows or a Mac OS, which is actually the X factor. That's all for this tutorial. So full stack equals to backend plus frontend plus DevOps. For any doubt, write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video.